Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix shift at midnight on your PC crashing or not even launching. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video if it helped you, comment down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions during the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications out so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's proceed with the video. First things first, go to Steam right over here, click on library, click on your game, right click specifically, click on Properties, Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Basically, what will this do? It's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be crashing or not even launching. So go ahead and wait it out until it's finished. As you can see, it is successfully validated. Once done, close that out, relaunch the game, and see if the problem still persists. And if the problem still persists, right click on your games once more, click on Properties, go to installed files, actually general right over here, launch options. Go ahead and type in -dx11 and then close this out and then relaunch your game. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game, and if the problem still persists, go ahead and exit this out, restart your PC, and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, relaunch the game and it should be fixed. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.